My name is Christian Grisham.
My name's Red Allison.
My name is John Blevins.
My name is Cameron Tennell.
My name is Jordan Peluso.
I'm Gracie Murphy.
My name is Dexter Daly.
My name is Braden Burford.
My name is Jeremiah Peevler.
My name is Taylor Rainwater. My name is Hayden Hoskins.
My name is Josh Thompson. I grew up in Owenston, Kentucky, and I graduated from Owen County High School in 2015. I was born and raised in Georgetown, Kentucky. I went to Scott County High School, where I graduated in 2016.
I grew up in Stamping Ground, Kentucky, and graduated from the Frankfort Christian Academy in 2016.
I've lived in Garnersville, Kentucky all of my life. I graduated from Pendleton County High School in 2021.
I'm from Paris, Kentucky. I graduated from Bourbon County High School in 2009.
I was born and raised in Cynthiana, Kentucky, and I graduated from Harrison County High School in 2022.
I'm from Cynthiana, Kentucky, and I graduated from Harrison County High School in 2019.
I'm from West Liberty, Kentucky, and I graduated from Morgan County High School in 2011.
Currently live in Bath County, Kentucky. I went to high school in Nicholas County, graduated in 2020.
I'm from Nicholasville, Kentucky. I graduated from high school in 2016 from Lexington Christian Academy.
I went to Harrison County High School. I graduated in 2009.
I'm from Georgetown, Kentucky. Graduated high school in 2013 here at Scott County.
I graduated from the AMT program in 2013 and was hired on as a full-time team member in 2014.
I was part of the first group of AMTs beginning in July of 2010. I graduated from the AMT program in 2012 and was hired full-time in 2013.
I graduated the AMT program in 2015 and was hired on full-time by Toyota in 2016.
I graduated from the AMT program in 2019 and was hired a full-time Toyota team member in 2020.
I'm currently in the AMT program and will graduate in 2024.
I started the AMT program in 2017, graduated in 2019. After I graduated, I got hired on full-time in 2020.
I will be graduating the AMT program in May of 2023.
I graduated from the AMT program in 2021, and I was hired full-time in 2021.
I'll be graduating the AMT program in 2024.
I then joined the AMT program and graduated from it in 2017. Was hired on full-time by Toyota in 2018.
I graduated the AMT program in 2018 and I was hired on full-time in 2019.
I joined the AMT program later in life in 2019. I graduated the AMT program in 2021 and got hired later in the fall of 2021 full-time. Currently a day shift team member on the T4 Flex project.
I am currently a team member in the Powertrain Reliability Group, focusing on machine learning and predictive maintenance.
Currently, I'm a team leader in axle machining on second shift.
I'm currently a second shift team leader on the T4 Flex project.
I'm currently working for Toyota North America as a safety manager for our unit plants. One project I've most recently been working on is helping to develop the North Carolina AMT program for our new battery plant. That's something I'm really excited about, to go full circle from AMT graduate to now helping to start a program in a different state.
The AMT program fit me well because it offers hands-on learning opportunities to give you the basics. Once you get your foot in the door, the sky's the limit on what you can learn and accomplish. The AMT program is great because it teaches you skills that you'll be able to apply the rest of your life. Although it is industrial maintenance, you'll be able to apply a lot of the skills outside of work, as well as being able to carry them over into any job in the country.
One thing that I loved about the AMT program was that I was able to get some really good on-the-job training and some really good classroom training at the same time, and I was able to have a job right out of college.
I have a lot of great memories, and it's given me a lot of great opportunities, but the number one most memorable was going to Japan just 2 months after I was hired on. It's been a great path for me so far, but I don't see it stopping anytime soon.
One thing about being in the AMT program is I get to go to work and go to school at the same time.
The AMT program has provided me with lifelong friendships as well as a good career.
I would say the AMT program has changed my life in the way of giving me more opportunities than a regular college student. I go to work 3 days a week and go to school 2 days a week. The great advantage of this program is that I'll be graduating debt-free.
The AMT program has given me many opportunities and helped me launch a successful career here at Toyota. I've held many positions since graduating the program and had the opportunity to travel the world. I've been to Japan a total of 9 times and traveled to Venice, Italy as well, representing the company.
The AMT program has presented me with an opportunity to start a career at an early age to be able to provide for a family in the future.
The AMT program will give you a multitude of opportunities. My advice is to always look for opportunities and consider every one.
The AMT program has provided me a lot of great experiences and has allowed me to be able to provide for my family. And I'm proof that it's never too late in life to go back to school.